Today in this session I'm going to explain you how Java works actually, how we can execute a program in Java, or when we execute a program, how it actually works, how it executes, how it gives you output. So here friends, you all can see that I have written here Java code. Actually Java code means the program which you have written in NetBeans, or you write in BlueJ, or if you use any editor of a Java, it's totally your choice. Actually .java means a source code, a program which you write, a code which you write to execute. Next, you all can see Java C compiler is here. What it do actually, compiler is itself a software, is itself a code, some pieces of programs of codes through which what you can do is actually your code will be checked line by line. The code will be checked line by line. The code will be, if any syntax error is there, if any logic error, or if any runtime error is there, that will be checked, and you will get to know. If there is no error, it will be successfully compiled, and then you will get a bytecode. Now, what do you mean by this bytecode? Actually, this bytecode is known as a .class file also. It is a universal code which can be executed on any computer, on any operating system. Like we know that we have a different applications. These days we work on web applications, so it is very helpful in those applications, like when you run your application on one system and when you want to execute on some other system. So actually it works there. Like I've compiled my program on one of the system, and then after compilation I got a .class file which is a universal code which can be executed on any operating system, and then that code will be given, that .class file, it will go to any system. It can go to any operating system, and any operating system can understand, can use it, can execute it. So now here you all can see JVM is written here. So JVM actually stands for Java Virtual Machine, which plays a very important role in this entire process. Through this Java virtual machine, actually your .class file, the universal code which you have received, which is also known as bytecode, through JVM it will be converted into the language of that operating system, into the language of that machine, which can be easily executed. For example, here you can see next to JVM, Windows is also written, Linux is also written, Mac is also written. So whatever operating system you are dealing with, that's the operating system's JVM is totally responsible now to convert this .class file into the format which your operating system can understand, which your computer can understand, which your machine can easily execute, and then you will get an output after the entire process. So the process is so simple. Only you just need to remember this thing, that the entire process is possible with the help of JVM, and you can run on any operating system, on any computer, this .class file. Thank you so much.